Hey there, fellow Jeepers. So today we're going to install a little center console storage unit that I bought off Amazon. Stay tuned. Yeah, like I said, I got this little storage unit that I got off Amazon, and we're just going to install that real quick and show you what we got. So it looks like we got the passenger side, we got a driver side, and then this center storage piece to connect the two together. So actually looks like that's the passenger side. Let's go ahead and get this going. So we got some tape here. I guess that tape is going to go up against that. Let's see how this fits in there. So that meshes into there. Looks like it's kind of got cutouts there for that. And I think this one is for here. Okay, see that goes on there like that. This one goes on here like that. So it's in essence going to be sitting in there like that. And again, it's got the tape on there for me to pill and put on there and stick. Then you can put your different things. Got a knife, oh, Tic Tacs, a couple markers, ink pen. Yeah, you can just put your different things in there and you're good to go. So, let me pull this back out, get this nonsense out of here, and I guess I'm going to do this one at a time. So I'm going to first do the center console part, and it comes with these strips. They also gave me some additional double-sided tape, but I don't believe I'll be needing it because I think what they provided is going to be sufficient here. And get this red protective tape off of here. Okay, got that off. I'll just slide this down here, put it into place, push up so it sticks to the console there. Okay, I think we're good to go there. And then this one is the passenger side. That'll go on there. So I'll go ahead and peel off this tape. Yep. It's got little slots here to go on these little tabs. So it tracks right down on there. Got that on there. Just press this into the side of the console. And that is on there. Good to go. Now the passenger, the driver's side. I'll just peel this tape off. Like so. Again, just slide this over those little tabs. Oops, that popped off. That's not good. Okay, got those on there like that. And I think we are good to go. All nice and tight. Yep, there. Extra storage. And I'm sitting in here and I got plenty of leg space, so it's not actually in my way of my leg at all. So that's wonderful. And now I got extra space to, put my glasses, whatever. Good deal. Yep, always need more storage space in these things. So anyway, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.